working on our model. There are many things that we need to tackle. So to make the scene faster, let's disable the ambient occlusion. As we can see now, it's slightly faster. So let's continue working on the shape of the model. Um, so I don't see anything beneath the model, so I'm going to just decrease the alpha slightly. And going back to vertex mode, let's create some space for the eyes and for the mouth. So here what I can see is we will need some edge loop here just to kind of mark where our eye will land. And the same goes for the mouth. We also need to create an edge loop over here. And so I'm going to just modify parts of it. And now it will be good time for us to start actually creating some shape around the eye. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna now create another edge loop over here and move it down. This is going to be very experimental, to be honest. But what we need to do is we need to give a form to this shape. So we need a bunch of more edge loops over here, like this. And we'll need another one over here, and another one over here, and another one. Well, no, I think that's okay. So we have a bunch of new shapes, and we need to define some form. So I think this eye needs to be slightly inside, and the topology can be slightly adjusted. So you can see here. So good thing that when we were using the insert edge loop, our mesh is built mostly of four-sided polygons, which is important. And so here what we can see now is that this eye place would be good if we could melt together these vertices, and we have option to do that. It's called collapse, and as we can see here, it collapsed our vertices. And now what we can do technically is we can just try to extrude the polygons that are here. So these ones, can start extruding them and start creating the geometry. So what I'm doing here is I'm extruding, and I'm going to decrease the size of it, and of course place it in the correct place. So if we move it slightly inside, you'll be able to see this nice effect where the vertices are there. And what we can do again is do exactly the same thing, which is extruding it again, and here we have our eye. This one will also scale down, and what we can do also is just move this one vertex over here forward, so that it kind of creates this eye effect. One problem we have here is that they are slightly too much outside, like no one has those kind of eyes. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move these vertices inside like that. So here we have the eye. So I'm gonna model it slightly to be more oval-like. And that kind of creates the look of an eye. So right now, if we were to make the model more visible, you could already see the eyelids over here. And that will conclude the tutorial for today.